Hey guys, this is Tuvbox and this is going to be a PUBG gameplay review on the Oneplus Nord. This device is powered by Qualcomm's 765G processor and it comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Other variants of this phone come with 6GB of RAM, 64GB storage and 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. This device is priced at 28,000 rupees or $380. I am currently playing PUBG on HD graphics and high frame rate. I will be switching to smooth and ultra settings with gyro after some time. Smooth Extreme is currently not available on this device but will be available soon as said by OnePlus. And although HDR and Ultra HD is not currently available on this device, we will be seeing these soon on OnePlus Nord. I will be sharing my views and my experience in this video.
ये था ना
This video is all about the device review and how it handles the game, so don't expect me to play like a pro. My display is set to 90Hz and I can actually feel the difference. Please do follow us on Instagram as we have started posting tech updates and behind the scene images, and this is our Instagram handle. This time we landed at boot camp. We are getting a constant frame rate of 60 FPS even if a lot of squads are around us in this area. The frame rate I got was around 60 FPS all the time, and it does not went above that. Till now, OnePlus is handling the game with ease. I'm using an external FPS meter. You can also boost the FPS through external apps, although I haven't enabled it currently.
Help! Help! Help!
The gameplay was smooth till now, and I did not find any lag or dropping frames. There was absolutely no freeze. The Oxygen OS seems to be very well optimized for this game. I got around 4 hours of gameplay continuously on this device, and in about 55 minutes, this phone charged from 0 to 100. Currently my device is set to 50% brightness and 90Hz refresh rate. I'm recording the screen and using a Bluetooth earphone, which is also draining some battery. But as the OnePlus Nord does not have a headphone jack, so you have to use a Bluetooth earphone. So to conclude this video, I would like to say that this device handled PUBG gameplay smoothly and the FPS remained at around 60. This is definitely a good device for PUBG game. I would recommend you to go for this device if you want an overall good device, but I won't recommend you if you want to buy it for PUBG only, as in this budget you can get 800 series processors in other phones which will definitely perform well. Also uploaded the full review of the OnePlus Nord on this channel, so go and watch it if you are thinking of buying this device. Subscribe to the channel for more cool stuff like this and hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you for watching this PUBG gameplay review. I will see you in the next video.